212, I'll be making contact with this individual. Hey man, what's going on today? Where are your shoes at? You need to talk to me? You need to tell me what's wrong? What's going on today? Huh? Well, I don't know. Why are you back in this gate? Huh? Why don't you have any shoes on? Don't be messing with that. Don't be messing with that. Quit. Stop messing with that. Do you know how to listen to what I'm telling you to do? Huh? Okay, you need to leave. Back off of me. 212, start me, emergency cover. Get back, I'm gonna fucking shoot you, dude. Get back. Get off me, man. What are you doing? Come on. You're not in trouble. What? You're not in trouble. You're not in trouble, man. Step it up, step it up. Hey, man, help me! Fucking fool, huh? Get back. Get back. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. I'm gonna shoot you if you do not get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now! Stop! Get back! I am gonna fucking shoot you, dude! Back up! Get down! 212 shots fired.